Hersheypark Monorail. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the view. For your safety, we ask that you remain seated, keep your head and hands inside the car during the entire ride, and refrain from smoking. Today we will travel 10 miles an hour, offering you panoramic views of Hersheypark. To your right, you'll see some of our thrilling coasters in the hollow, including our oldest wooden coaster to our first looping steel coaster, Super Duper Looper, and Sky Rush, a guest favorite. If you listen closely, you may hear the roar of Great Bear. The sound of this inverted coaster is created by the unique track structure, indicative of this type of roller coaster. You're now entering Kissing Tower Hill. You will find Hershey Triple Tower, the first Choose Your Thrill Triple Tower in the United States. However, the focal point of this area is the 330-foot Kissing Tower. The cabin windows are shaped like our world-renowned Hershey's Kisses, first manufactured here in 1907. The place known for fun and chocolate is now even sweeter. Visit Hershey's Chocolate Town to experience our biggest coaster ever, Candymonium, and discover our dining experiences, featuring unique Hershey's chocolate creations. Speaking of Hershey's products, explore the many wonders of chocolate at Hershey's Chocolate World, featuring the free Hershey's Chocolate Tour Ride and create your own candy bar attraction. Afterwards, shop at Hershey's largest candy store for one-of-a-kind gifts and souvenirs. It's not only the chocolate and roller coasters that make Hershey sweet. Hersheypark supports Milton Hershey School in its mission of helping students lead fulfilling and productive lives, just as Mr. Hershey intended. Learn more at mhskids.org. We are now passing the site of the original Hershey's Chocolate Factory, started by our founder Milton Hershey in 1905. Today, the Hershey Company is the leading North American manufacturer of quality chocolate and non-chocolate confections. Below us, you'll see Zoo America, a year-round 11-acre walk-through zoo, home to more than 200 animals from 5 regions of North America. The zoo began when Milton Hershey received prairie dogs as a gift. Zoo America is committed to the conservation of North American wildlife and habitats. Visit with one of our zoos and implement it to ensure species survival and habitat maintenance. Entry is included in your one-price admission. Enter through the bridge connecting Hersheypark and Zoo America. We are now entering Pioneer Frontier. Ahead, you will see Trailblazer and Dryville Trail Road, 2 rides perfect for the whole family to enjoy. Whether it's a relaxing time on classic family rides or an exciting day of coasters and thrills, please remain seated until the monorail comes to a complete stop. Then exit towards the rear of the platform. Thank you for riding, and enjoy the rest of your day at Hersheypark.